Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. I am here to share a cute thank you from Carehart. If anybody doesn't know what DEFI is, it's Disabled Artist Foundation. And there's this cute letter, and I'm going to read it. And it says, "You're an angel. On behalf of Disabled Artist Foundation, we thank you for direct and indirect donations you made in 2020. Included in this package is a pin handmade by another artist to thank you for the items you donated." Okay, look at this. This pin is gorgeous. I'm going to hang it up. I don't know how they made that, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? This says, "Thank you for your donation. You're an angel." That is so pretty. I'm going to keep it just like on a piece of paper, but I'm going to hang it up on my curtain. Look at the details in that. I don't know how they made this but it looks like a stone. It really does, because it's got different layers. It's very beautiful. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. So that's that. It's gorgeous. A tea of life bag to remind you how much you brought with your thoughtfulness. So a tea of light. Isn't that cute? Awesome. A handmade thank you card made for you to use however you please. So we are grateful for your help us to help others. These don't compare to appreciation we have for you and all you do to make the lives of others better. Gratefully, Carolyn Carehart, Chairman of the Board, Disabled Artists Foundation. Thank you. And look at this little angel too. Okay. And here's a beautiful card. Look at them flowers. I don't know who did those, but them are beautiful. And they're like, I keep looking at them. It don't look like a sticker. And if that is a sticker, that's awesome. Reminds me of that broken glass. When they break the glass up and they do with that pewter, and they put it together. Look at that little hippo, little elephant. It says, "The happiest girl in the whole wide world." And then you open it and it says, "Big birthday wishes." So thank you. And also in this was a tax deduction sheet, which I ain't worried about. I ain't worried about it. It's no tax. But thank you for the offer. But I will have Carehart channel linked in the description box. It's Disabled Artist Foundation. And there's a lot of ways you can help out a disabled artist. In many ways. I've come to learn a lot. And I've donated stuff. I sponsored shipping for our artists. I'm going to try to do that a couple times a year if I can do it. Sometimes I can't afford the stuff in the auctions, but then she has this opportunity where you can sponsor an artist. Artist, I think they call it. But please go check it out if you haven't already. Like I said, I will have all the information linked in the description box below. Thanks for watching, everybody. And as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.